Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small TEMU order of my large TEMU order. That's just random paintings I'm pulling from. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So originally I was just going to show 2 paintings, but I decided to show 3 because I did a mystery painting again. Yeah, I did again. And this one's a little bit larger, so I have no idea what it is. I just really hope it's not a creepy looking image or anything kind of gross. So let's all be surprised. It'll be my last painting, don't worry. But first, let's see the ones you can actually see. So I fell in love when I saw this little image, because the holidays are coming up, y'all. So I need to buy more holiday paintings. I don't own that many, so that's why I've been looking. The last time when I did this order, I saw this one. It's just so cute. And for the canvas, it'll always include the diamonds and your standard kit, just in case you need the diamond painting. The standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you do is pour the diamonds into the tray, get your pen, press into the wax, press it on a diamond, press it on your painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if for some reason the tray breaks, disappears, or decides to run away, your next canvas will have you covered. They always come and find you. And these are the diamonds. The first color I saw was this really nice kind of pastel, kind of teal color, and my lovely little peach color. Ooh, I love these colors. They're so cute. I really like that little random red there and hidden. I always think that's funny whenever they hide some of those darker colors in the middle. And this is the painting. It is a cute little 20 by 20, and it's a kitty cat with Santa hat and wrapped with Christmas lights. I thought it was so cute when I saw it, and I saw it was a 20 by 20, so I figured, you know what, I'm gonna pick it up because I love 20 by 20s. Then I saw the cat, so I took it as a sign I had to get this painting. I was just fixing the plastic to take care of the creasing, and don't worry, I put them away in a portfolio so the creases will disappear after a while. Oh my goodness, that is a lot of white. And of course, it's 3865. This is funny. The symbol for this is H. So I just see a bunch of H's everywhere, and it looks kind of funny. It is a cute little black cat with the little hat. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I really like it. And some information about the painting. It is A0599 and is a 20 by 20 and has 14 colors. And the legend is from 1 through 8 is numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and from 9 to 14, they're all capitalized letters. Really simple, really easy peasy kind of legend. I love that. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh, I cannot stop staring at the kitty cat. I cannot wait to start on this one. This one will probably start next month, so I can get it ready for the holidays, because as I said, I need more holiday paintings. And just in case, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen, just in case a kitty cat in Christmas light is your style as well, especially for the holidays. Let me put that aside real quick. This is my next painting. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. And I'm going to say probably a billion times, so be ready for that. First time I saw it, TEMU suggested it, and I thought, oh my goodness, TEMU, you're figuring out my style way too good. So now I'm getting nervous. Mostly because I know I'm going to end up putting it in my cart. This one's a little bit bigger than the last one. Same thing, standard kit, and your diamonds. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. First color I saw was this nice dark blue. This painting is going to have a lot of blues, as you can see here in the middle. And there's a lot of blues. And there is a lot of white. And of course, lovely 3865. And which I believe the background does have a lot of white. Oh my goodness, I really love these colors. And this is the painting. It is a tall cup of, I have no idea, really fancy water with kitty cats. As I said, TEMU suggested to me, and I fell in love when I saw the image. It's so cute, and it's such a perfect size for me as well. So that's why I had to pick it up. And of course, it's blue. So, but even if it was a different color, I'd still pick it up. It's such a cute image. I'm just trying to get the creases down. I'm going to have to roll it up a bit because it keeps trying to curl in. And these canvases are a bit tougher. So they're a little more rough and a little bit more sturdy, which works out really well because I just put them on the wall so I don't have to worry about the canvas getting damaged or anything. As you can see, it's a nice glass and it's so cute. I love the little random cat on top, cat within the glass. And it has kind of clouds, I'm assuming, or whipped cream depending on what it is, and also at the base. This is such a cute image. And little star up here, a couple little stars everywhere. I love the blue color as well. That's when I first saw it. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness, I just really love this image. That kitty cat has such a cute face. And some information about the painting. It is WF185 and is a 20 by 30 and it's 15 colors. And the legend for this one is really large. You can probably see all the colors. I'm sorry, as you can see all the numbers. And it also does the neato thing I like a lot. The top left corner and the lower bottom right corner have legends, which I'm a big fan of because I spin my paintings when I'm painting. So from the numbers 1 through 15, they're all capital letters. Sorry, I really thought the beginning was going to have numbers. That is really neat. I love when the legends are real simple that way. Real simple and clean. Ha ha. And I just love that. It makes it a lot easier when you start painting, so you don't have to worry about a random symbol. You know it's going to be a letter. And it's real easy for me. It's real easy to spot when you start painting. Oh my goodness, I just love this painting. I keep looking at it. It's just so cute. Ooh, I'm going to probably do... I believe this can also be a winter painting because the nice blue color makes me think of snow. Yeah, you're going to be a winter painting. When I do decide to kit up this painting, I'll make sure to do a video so y'all can, see how it's all going to come together. And just in case you can't see it too clearly, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see a nice, wonderful, tall cup of kitty cat. This is more your style. I have no way to describe that. First, I thought it was boba tea, but I don't see any of the little boba, granules, or I'm not sure what they're called. Orbs, there you go. They're in the tea. I wasn't sure. So this is my mystery painting. Oh my goodness, I am a little nervous to see what's in it. But we're all going to see it together. And I do love the image I got from my last mystery one, but it was a 20 by 20, and I saw that there were larger ones, so I picked it up. And all of these were lightning deals, so I got them really discounted. And I'm also putting the prices in this corner here, just so in case any of them you're interested, you can see what kind of price it is. And sometimes even when it's not on lightning deal, they are really affordable prices, so you can still get a good deal on the painting. Woo, moment of truth. I'm a little worried. And it's real smart how they hide the image. As you can see, it's rolled up reverse. So the backing is what's showing, but not the photo. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm kind of nervous. All right, let's see what it is. Oh my god. Before that, you know what? Let's just look at the image. Oh my goodness. This is wonderful. I love butterflies. I don't show... Well, yes, I do show them a lot. I show them a lot whenever I get teacups. This is such a perfect image for myself, it is. The pastel colors is the first thing that won me over. Beautiful butterfly in the middle with the beautiful color in the wings. Wonderful, wonderful pastel purple in the background. And I love the yellow that's kind of streaked. As I said, this image was a larger one. I wasn't too sure if it was a 30 by 30 or a 30 by 25, but lo and behold, this is 30 by 25. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Sorry, I am so excited. Like I said, I had no idea what the image is going to be. And thank you so much for not being creepy. So again, sorry, I really wanted to see the image. And again, it comes with a standard kit. As I said, they always find you. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, all of the pastel colors is just wonderful in this painting. As you can see, a wonderful little, I believe it's 310. Yeah, our wonderful 310. 310 is one of my favorites, so I always save them. I'm a big fan of them. And you can see all the pastel colors in the middle. Oh my goodness. Honestly, this really surprised me. I did not know it was going to be such a wonderful image. It is so cute. Oh, I'm actually going to kit this one up after the video. And I'll make sure to record it. I really do want to start on it. It's so, so pretty. And as I've said, I do kind of TEMU smaller ones on the side when I'm doing bigger images. Just so I can take a break and I can work on a different kind of setting. And some information about the painting. And I believe these paintings can also be sold separately. I believe they can be found on the site. But if not, I might have to buy a mystery painting as well. Who knows? We might be matching. And this painting, it is HY3273. It is a 30 by 25. And it is 18 colors. And the legend is all capitalized letters. Oh my goodness. It's like a sign. It was like meant for me. I love when the legend is just real simple that way. It's all capitalized letters. I don't have to worry about any symbols or anything. Honestly, this image kind of took my breath away. That's why I sound so excited, because I was not expecting that. And it is, whenever you purchase any of, when you see, and I'll make sure to put a link to this painting as well so you can see. It shows that, it states that it's a mystery painting. And it shows in the background just random images. And there were some that were kind of creepy looking, so that's why I was super, super worried that this painting might be a creepy one. But lo and behold, it is the complete opposite. Oh my goodness, this really surprised me. And that's why I sound really, I was not expecting it. And I love there's little butterflies around it too. My goodness, I cannot wait to kit it up. Which will probably be after the recording. So, yeah, again, I would say I put a clear image here, but I don't have an image of this. So, let me stretch as much as I can. Hopefully you can see the wonderful butterfly. And I'm hoping if you do decide to purchase a mystery painting as well, I hope you get as fortunate as I have. Because honestly, I am not disappointed by this image. And again, if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. Really helps put my channel out there. And it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, even mystery ones. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.